Hey, John here with Real Hardware Reviews, and today we're testing out the Fifine K037B, the wireless presentation system, which they say is great for teaching, preaching, and public speaking. Which, that's kind of cheesy, but whatever, it is what it is. I think this is great for people who are looking to do on-the-go coverage of events like Comic-Con and things like that, but they don't have the money to spend on a $200 to $300 system, and they've already got a basic DSLR, so they can hook this up and be ready to go. With that, let's get into the unboxing and testing, and check out what this $34.99 microphone system can really do. While we hammer the review and unboxing away, I will be only using the K037B, which is what I was using at the start of this video as well. I was using the Lava mic, now I'm using the over-the-ear microphone. It comes with the Dear Customers, like us on Facebook thing, and all about your support, a full quick start guide in color. You will need 2 AA batteries, 2 AAA batteries, and you are off to the races. This works with any basic stereo system or computer. It says it doesn't work with your computer, but you can plug it right in, or you can use this with almost any DSLR on the market today. It runs on mini XLR, which is really nice to see, but it comes with a 1/4 inch hookup for the receiver, as well as a 1/4 inch to 3.5 millimeter adapter, so you can hook it up again to almost anything on the market. It's very nice and easy to use. The packaging is quite nice. It is very well sealed in there, so again, you don't have to worry about it being damaged. The Lava mic comes in its own little bag, as the headset does not. It's just out of there within the little foam packaging, but it's not going to get damaged. It's very well guarded. It has a little windscreen on it, which is nice to see, that little foam cover. The microphone clip is actually quite durable, and the little XLR mini hookup is really nice to see. It is secure and locks in place when you clip it in. As you can see, the headset itself is in there quite nicely, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged. And it is what I'm using right now, so you can actually hear it for yourself, which is pretty cool to see. I like how this $34.99 microphone is very, I wouldn't say high-end, but good quality for the price you're paying. It's going to get you going and get anybody up and going for a very low price. The transmitter itself is very nice. It is small, comfortable, doesn't weigh a lot. It's on me right now as I'm doing this, and I feel like it's not even there. Make sure you don't have your cell phone against it, though, people. I did that for the first recording, and I had to start all over because it was giving me some really bad background noise. So with that, that is everything in the box, and let's get to some testing. So we're going to quickly open the door, walk out, might get a little loud. I'll be right back. All right, so I am now in between a wall, not too far away, and just doing a mic test right now. All right, now we got quite a bit of background noise, and I'm at exactly 10 feet away. Nice thing about our warehouse is we have 10-foot spacers, so let's move back to 20 feet exactly. And the odd thing I'm noticing when I was testing this and re-looking at the audio I was just using, it seems the farther away, almost the better the signal. When I was getting closer, I was noticing I was getting quite a bit quieter. So now we've moved on to 30 feet. 30 feet still seems like everything is connected, everything is working. Talking at, I'd say, basically auditorium level, so if you're trying to talk to a classroom, something like that, or if you were talking to any normal person about 10 feet from you. Now, if we're just talking like we normally would right now, so I'm not yelling, I'm not talking out really loud, you can notice it's no longer peaking or anything like that. And let's move back to about 40 feet. At 40 feet, this is about as far as I'm willing to go without having myself trip over anything or anything like that. So with that, we're testing out the Fifine wireless setup. This is a very low-cost wireless setup. So if you're looking for something that just gets you going, it's not going to be professional level, but it is not half bad whatsoever. With that, we've returned back to the office, and we are now using our studio microphone again. Main reason I'm switching back to the studio microphone is I just don't want anything to get missed. Make sure while using the Fifine K037B, if this is a unit for you, that the antenna is fully extracted from the receiver. It's a little silver dot at the bottom. Once that's extracted all the way, you definitely notice a big difference in audio. The drops are few and far between, but once you get about 40 to 60 feet away, you may notice them in an environment with lots of interference. Our warehouse is packed with interference. We've got an electronics store on one side of us and a massive surveillance company on the other. Pretty much is nothing but issues on either side. Very low cost. Great option for people looking to get right into presentations, teaching, preaching, all that kind of stuff like they say on their description line. $34.99, can't complain there. And to me, this is an awesome option for people who are wanting to cover up more events like Comic-Con and things like that. With that, I highly recommend it. Make sure to check out our affiliate link below. And this is John with Real Hard Reviews. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and hopefully we'll be back very soon with some more videos and reviews for you guys. Have a great day.